Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Marks. Alright guys, hard to see, but we've got brown pelican out here, and I'm at the top of a picnic area at New Smyrna Dunes Beach. Look at this awesome boardwalk that I walked on already. I'm exhausted, but I saw, guys, it's 86 degrees, but I don't know what it is with the heat index, but fabulous ocean. I definitely will come back. You can drive on the beach apparently, and then I guess there's some inlet I'll have to check out another day. And then there's this lighthouse in the background, and chatting with these nice folks from Illinois, and they also saw a gopher tortoise. All right, we're signing off live. Have a wonderful day.